this camera for her, but no, it wasn't good enough. She went back to the phone. G'day, how's it going? Jerry, how's it going? What are you doing? So I've just bought this Olympus EPL8 off my sister. I bought it for her a couple of years ago, and just to take better photos and to vlog with now that she's doing her own videos. And I just checked, and the last photo was taken 2 years ago. She hasn't been using it. So, okay, so we all know that the mobile phone killed off the consumer household camera, you know, the camera that everyone had in their family household a few years ago now, really. Most people will say, really, it's pointless having a camera because the phone really does everything that you need, if not more. I'm even filming now on my Pixel 7, so, and it's perfectly good. Hey Jerry, are you in focus? Yes. So hell, these days even they can perform advanced tricks like these iPhone photos my sister keeps taking and putting on Facebook. You know, this kind of photo, they would normally need you to crush the ambient light, fire off a flash, and watch, you know, multiple reruns of a Rob Trek video to learn how to do the bloody thing. But you know, you get these phones now with their computational whatnot, you know, algorithms or whatever, and bang, click the button and you've got a beautiful photo. So full frame, who the hell needs full frame, you know? When you can just do fake bokeh with this, you know. Yes, there is a thing called fake bokeh. I don't know what the hell it does. It must just look at your face and blur the background in and cut you out, I guess. Now, we used to have one good camera per household, and we'd whip it out on special occasions. Or, you know, you'd buy a premium one, duty free. Remember duty free? Probably around 2013 or, I don't know, around that time. You can see the graph and it just went like that. Even the big camera companies have even told us they have stopped developing new compact digital cameras in order to concentrate on mirrorless cameras. So with the higher prices. So that kind of like means, you know, the Sony RX100s or the ZV-1s. So I guess they really haven't abandoned the total point and shoot. They've just kind of upgraded them to these more advanced point and shoots, I guess. Now, the point I'm trying to make is even my sister, who loves taking photos, always reaches for her phone in the end. It's just that the convenience and the quality just won out, really. So that kind of leaves us enthusiasts to snap up these little gems, which is like what I did. I bought it off her. But you've got to be quick because the secondhand market for these little classic, you know, point and shoots and compact cameras, the trend's getting bigger and bigger, and the prices are going through the roof. I gave my sister the eBay rate, and it's actually increased in price from when she bought it. She bought it on Facebook Marketplace. So, but you can still get some good bargains for them. If you can find the right person who just thinks, oh, this is an old camera, I don't really want it anymore, then you can get it. But if people are following the trends, they'll pump the prices up. You know what I mean? If they're watching too many bloody YouTube videos, they'll pump the price up, you know, because they realize that there's a bit of a market out there for them now. Now, the Olympus EPL8 is probably the one that I like the most out of the whole pen line. Technically not really a point and shoot, more of an advanced point and shoot due to the interchangeable lenses. So I've put my 17mm on there, but you can get the kit lens, the 14 to 42, and even the 40 to 150 lens. And that makes a big difference, having these interchangeable lenses over the compact cameras that only have one lens attached, especially with these zoom lenses. Because check this out, I went to the footy, and you're not going to get photos or videos like this on a normal compact camera. aside from the better sensor, lens choices, flippy screen, ergonomics, full control, tactile buttons, the best thing about Olympus is that they are cool. You know what I mean? I mean, the premium metal build, the leather, I don't know if it's leather, but it looks like leather. It's the shiny whole bling bling about it. It's just so beautiful. It's a really beautiful looking camera. I just really love it. It's one of those cameras that you just want to, take out with you because it just looks so cool. Even these later model pen cameras, the EPL8s and the 9s, and I think there's a 10 model, they were even like marketed by, those social media influence models, those pretty girls wearing makeup and shit. I've seen some videos where they're like walking around like it's with a strap over their shoulder, like it's an expensive Gucci handbag, showing off. It's a good show off little camera rather than, being tucked away in a camera bag inside your Gucci bag. So these days, with everyone having a cell phone as their camera, it's even becoming more of a little bit of a conversation piece, something to be different with, for the young hipsters out there. Hey, Jerry, the hipsters, to stand out, like amongst the crowd. And Olympus have always led the way in this area, I think anyway. The Pen series in particular, I mean, you can go back to the original Pen F cameras, all the way through the alphabet to the digital era with the EP series coming full circle to the Pen F. Some say the Pen F, the digital Pen F, is one of the best looking cameras out there with plenty of tech under the hood. You know what I mean? It's a good camera, and it's not just a pretty face. Anyway, if photography is your hobby and you don't always want, to go out and shoot with your big behemoth DSLR or your, mirrorless camera every day, check out, the world of the point and shoots and the small digital cameras, I reckon anyway. It's a little bit of a trend coming up, so get in early. I like the EP series, mainly because they look cool, really. I'm a bit vain like that. And also because I've got a shitload of lenses that go with it. So it's a beauty, Jerry. Huh? You want to go test it out? Yeah. We'll go test it out. You see the image stabilization, Jerry? Oh, what are you looking? What are you looking, Jerry? 1080p, Jerry. Kit lens. Super sharp. Jerry. Alright then. Let's go test it out then. What do you think? We'll go test it out? Oh, they're playing. Yeah. Gato. Ready? Yeah, play. Good girl, Jerry. You're looking at yourself down, so it kind of looks like, otherwise if it was flippy out to the side you'd be like that, you'd be over there, so, but now you're here, so cross-eyed. 6 o'clock early morning walk with Jerry. It's approaching autumn today because the summer solstice, the autumn solstice, today's the 23rd, I think it was 2 days ago, so now you can visibly see the sun is further to the north because I'm in the southern hemisphere. That was just a vlog test. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Jerry! Jerry! Yeah, good girl. You go for an early morning walk, Jerry. Yes, you catch the sun. I've got the strap around my neck and I've extended it to get stability, including the in-body stabilization as well. It's not too bad. Jerry, do you see the magpie? Catch him, Jerry, catch him. Jerry catches the magpie. Jerry. Dynamic range. So I've just got the kit lens on. Got a slow zoom. Dynamic range. EPL8. Not too bad for video. You ready to run? Ready, 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 go get him! Hey, Jerry likes to run. You cheeky bum. You got the tippy tail. Look at that tippy tail go. Tippy tail. Jerry, you got the tippy tail. And this is at arm's length. I've put a 17mm lens on there, which is a 35mm. Now you can go wider, I guess. This is a little bit in your face. There's no sound jack. You need the adapter. There's a lot of things that aren't going for it for blogging anyway. You can put it on a bracket, so if you want to put a tripod so that flippy screen can come down. I'm actually looking at myself in the screen and it kind of looks like I'm looking at the lens. That's really looking at the lens. But if you ever do take a side glance at yourself there, you're looking down, same as if you were looking up. Some cameras look up, have the flippy screen up. But anyway, you kind of don't break the third wall, the illusion, by looking at yourself. The other good thing is that you can get down low and flippy it up, or you can flippy it down. So it actually has all your touch buttons on the screen itself, so you don't have to reach behind the camera and start recording, or you can even change the brightness up and down on the front screen. For instance, you can change the profiles, so that should be now in monochrome, and there's all special effects. But the main thing that you want is to up and down the exposure compensation. The record button is right near the thumb rest, and when you're holding it, you press. When you're holding the camera, you're accidentally either turning the record off or turning the record on. Do you know how many clips I've got where it's just nothing? Of just recording, the ground. And the crucial moment when I was recording, I thought I was recording, but I turned off just the way that the record button shouldn't be so close to the thumb rest. Jerry! Yes, you see the birdie. You see the birdie, Jerry. But it would be nice to have a VF viewfinder. I cannot find one in Australia for sale. And if you buy from America, it's cost you like 6 times. I mean, it's already expensive, this VF4. And then add the $100 shipping. I don't know why, it's so small. But, people overseas, when they want to ship to Australia, they think it's like they're shipping it to Mars, for crying out loud. And it's like, $80 shipping and the item's only $70. They're quite expensive. So anyway, what else was I ranting on about? And Jerry, what else am I whinging about? So this is like with the 17mm, which is your classic 35mm kind of street photography view. You'll normally get it with the kit lens. It's pretty cool. Bada bing, bada boom. Then you've got all your other lenses. Probably the best one to get is the 40-150. Obviously the grip is useless because it's so small, but that's what you're sacrificing, the compactness of it all. It It is a little bit awkward actually, because the grip is so useless. But if you hold it like that, and it's got the flippy screen like that, so, and also, as you'll see in the videos that I did when I was out and about, I used the vlogging feature like that. Boom. You can vlog like that and have a look at yourself. Anyway, that's it. The EPL8 and the whole pen series is just a really cool retro looking little camera that's got enough features under the hood, if you ask me, that will be a little bit more advanced than some of the other point and shoots that are out there. That's it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hey Jerry, you gonna say goodbye? Or are you sleeping? You gotta get ready, Jerry. We're gonna go for a walk. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Jerry, take a photo. Oi, you ready? You ready? Yes, Jerry. You're a good girl. Jerry, why are you always a baby?